Have a holly jolly Christmas. Oh, jeez. Sorry, I didn't know that was recording. Hey, good morning, Rockets. Happy Thursday, December 3, 2020. I love that song. That's one of my absolute favorite Christmas songs. It gets me jacked for the Christmas season. It's Burl Ives, Have a Holly Jolly Christmas, and I had to play it. I had to play it. You know why I am so pumped about today's announcements? Because today and tomorrow are our last 2 days of virtual, hopefully for the year. We're going to be back Monday, folks. We are back and ready to roll in our classes on Monday, which is December 7th. And if you are a history buff, there is a very famous quote from December 7th, 1941, a day that will live in infamy. It actually is the anniversary of the bombing of Pearl Harbor, which is not that fun, but it's a great day to remember how America got into World War II. But I prefer to say December 7th, 2020, a day that will live in infamy, because we're coming back to school, and I'm super pumped about that. All right, guys, listen, couple quick announcements today. First of all, just one quick reminder about these things. This, my friends, ready? Remember, no fogging. This is wearing a mask. This is not proper mask etiquette. Oh, I forgot. I didn't know it fell over my nose. This, you know who you are. This is not wearing a mask. I see you in Meyer. I see you in your classrooms. But I got it on. No. Here. Okay? Our numbers in this county are going down, and that's because of all the work that we are doing as students, as parents, as a community, as teachers, etc. Make sure you're wearing your mask so that we can get back to school. Oh my gosh, I'm already at 2 minutes. Huh. Okay, I want to make this short today, but I've got a couple things. First of all, we have no birthdays today. None. Not a single birthday. Unless I'm missing someone's dog or cat or goldfish or maybe even a teacher. I don't remember if there's any teachers today, so we have no birthdays. In that spirit, I do want to share with you, though, that today is Ozzy Osbourne's birthday. I don't know who Lil Baby is. Maybe you guys do. This might tell you how old I am. Lil Baby's 25. Ozzy Osbourne, I remember that guy. He's 71, which probably says something about my age. Your parents, if they're watching, might remember this guy. I think he did like a couple movies in the 90s, and then we've never heard from him again. But that's because he's a Canadian, and no one really cares about Canadians anyway. Just kidding. All right, yesterday, National Fritter Day. Holy cow. Who went to Meyer and got an apple fritter? I didn't either. But today I wanted to share this one with you. National Roof Over Your Head Day. Now, the reason I wanted to share this with you today, because we might look at that and go, it's kind of, okay? But think about it like this. Found this quote in P2. No act of kindness, no matter how small, is ever wasted. Today is National Roof Over Your Head Day. How many of you sit back for a moment, just think, man, I am lucky. I'm lucky, no matter where we live, and if we like our room or our current jammies or my current blankie or snuggie that I got over my head or whatever that happens to be, have shown your family or whomever you live with just a small act of kindness to say thank you. We've got a place to live. I'm warm. I'm not struggling, etc. Okay? If you are struggling, make sure you're reaching out to your teachers. Make sure you're reaching out to myself, Mrs. Whitaker, etc., so that we can help you out in this holiday season. Okay? So that's a little reminder about P2. All right, last thing, and I'm hoping to be quick about this because I'm already at 4 minutes. Two things to do. One, we got joke of the day, and two, I got a new challenge. So joke of the day. I got to look over here because I'm running off my two screens. This is a good one. Are you ready for this? What do snowmen eat for breakfast? Ready? Frosted Flakes. I mean, why wouldn't they? All right. Another challenge. First challenge. Sorry I'm not on the roof. It's 6:30 in the morning, and you wouldn't see me, so here I am. Little challenge. You got to do two things for me. One, you got to subscribe to this channel. There's a subscribe button down below, somewhere down here, I think. I always see people doing that. My son watches this Presley dude on YouTube. Apparently, he's a big thing in Roblox. I don't know. He just says, guys, hey guys, way too much. Anyway, so there's a subscribe button down here somewhere, okay? And then in the comments, you have to identify all 3 of these locations within the building, and I will buy you your favorite treat next week. You got to be the first person to do it. You have to subscribe, and you have to identify all 3 spaces. Are you ready? Here we go. Space 1. Space 2. Ooh. What is that? Who is this? Here's a little clue. And then space 3. You ready? There it is. Where am I going? That's it. Subscribe. In the comments, you got to identify all 3 places. And if you come back to me and say, Mr. Panazzo, that was so quick, I couldn't see where you were at. People, this is YouTube. Hit the pause button. Rewind. Just throwing it out there. Have a great day, Rockets. Cannot wait to see you on Monday.